All right, everyone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bloom on some coasters. I've got my Christmas show coming up, and so I need to get my rear in gear and get some paints or coasters made. I'm also, these are 4x4 tiles. I've got them taped on the back, and then I just cut around the edges. I'm also going to do some 6x6 and 8x8s, I think, and sell those as well, because the coasters last year sold really well. So the pouring medium I have is Minwax Polycrylic and this Behr 8300. And my base paint is going to be the Multi-Pro 473110 interior Eggshell. And the colors I'm using today, I already had these pre-made. This is the Emerald Green from DecoArt. Fire Opal from FolkArt, the Treasure Gold. This is the Amethyst, I believe, from DecoArt. And then I'm using Pebeo's Iridescent Gold. So let's get started here. I'm gonna place the tile here on my spinner. Perfect. Now, sometimes I get a little bit of white cracking coming back through my cup. So I'm going to use less white as I pour. I think what happens is I get a little too much white on there. Let's see here. Let's spin some of that. All right, for this one, I'm gonna put a little gold down first, I think. Some purple. Opal. Some green. And my cell activator, I'm using Oxide Black, Amsterdam, and Australian Floetrol. That's 3-to-1. 3 parts Australian Floetrol and 1 part paint. It's making kind of a halo effect. I'm just going to blow this around. All right, now I'm going to spin this out. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you always put some paint here in the center to kind of anchor your tile. That was so bad.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So You're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind, but nobody said it was easy.
Really nice.
Maybe I should.
Beautiful. Great cells.
I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you.
Let's throw another one down.
Got a million stupid reasons not to call. It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car. You saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends. So you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind, but nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should have known. Guitar.
Now we wait, let the black collect again, create all of the cells in the center there. All right, spin this out. Stop it. Doing short little burst spins to see where the cells are coming up, what I've got, what I like. Spin a little harder maybe next time in the opposite direction. Look and see what's getting covered, what's not. Maybe I need to add a little extra paint over here on the side. Really nice. Give it one more spin here.
2 p.m. I don't know where we are. Looks like a cheap motel with our clothes on the floor. I don't know how we ended up here. And we've been flying high. Are we going too far? I got no cash left and I'm losing my job over you. But I don't care about that. I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere, anywhere, as long as you're with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on
This fire opal color is just gorgeous in these coasters.
You're a guilt trip, feeding me with all these lies. I feel sick. You're a bad choice that I made 5 years ago at some party in New York. Are you texting me to tell me that I'm shit? Why are you still going on about things I never did? Maybe you can't see that I'm hard to hold. I know I'm a basket case you think should be alone, but I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, don't want you. I can barely sleep cause of you, but I still have my friends, don't want you. You're a nightmare, reminding me of who I am. I feel scared sometimes. Why'd you leave me be?
There we go.
I know I'm a mess, but I don't need you to tell me.
All right, well here they are dry. Next up is getting a coat of resin. But they really came out great. Alright guys, here is the dried result with the resin coat. The resin's been on here for about 24 hours, but they dried great. No air bubbles, got a nice shine to them. Really beautiful. Alright everyone, thanks for joining me in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post some new videos. Everyone have a great weekend and a happy Sunday. Bye-bye.